y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 46. And we have a fun one for you. I'm going to show you how to put vinyl onto this table runner that came from a Dollar Tree. So the table runner was $1. Look how cute that looks. Now the color of vinyl I used, I'm not sure if it'll show up on camera. Let's see if I turn down the light some. Is rainbow white opaque, so you can see how it has a multicolor sparkle in it. I look terrible without any, well, I look terrible right now anyway. I had a news thing this morning, so I didn't sleep last night, and I came home and took a nap, and my hair looks so nasty because I didn't do anything to protect it that I was like, I need to take a shower, and I didn't feel like putting on makeup tonight, so you know, it is what it is. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll show you how we made this. So, for today's Craftmas project, we're going to be applying HTV to this beautiful red table runner that came from the Dollar Tree, so this was $1. And it is 100% polyester, so we know it can take the heat. And I'm only going to apply it to one side right now, but you can easily apply it to both. So we're going to go ahead and lay that out where we want it. And I'm wanting to keep it close, as you can see, to this sewn point. There we go. Now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet, and we're going to cover and press for 15 seconds. Now we will have to do this in at least 2, possibly 3 sections. Sorry, it's been a long day. I had news this morning and didn't sleep. But yeah. Do it in 3 sections, and then once we get finished pressing it, it's done. I mean, this is about as quick and easy as you can get. And the thing about the table runner coming from Dollar Tree, the cool part about it is since it was $1, if things get spilled on it or it gets stained, you're not out a lot of money. But this is also something you could decorate and sell as well. So again, my heat press was preheated to 330 degrees. We're going to go ahead and remove our cover sheet. And this file is available to the $10 or more a month patrons. You can take and choose any font to change out the letter. It's mainly for the wreath. And you could use this easily on other stuff. So now we're going to reheat one more time for the full 15 seconds just to make sure everything's adhered good. But yeah, I mean, this is about as simple and easy as you can get. Now the color of vinyl I am using is the rainbow white opaque by Specialty Materials, in case you're wondering. And all the supplies are available on our website, but like many times I've said before, you do not have to purchase from us. I'm still going to post videos. There we go. And we are done. Look how good that looks. I love, love, love how this came out. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will go over everything we just did. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon, that will notify you when I post new videos, which for Craftmas is every single day of the week at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.